everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Eileen at Little Grace Nursery, and if you're new here, welcome. Hit like and subscribe and come back for all the fun and all the babies and the giveaways and the painting tips. And today, little Elliot has been adopted, and I'm getting ready to pack him up and send him on his way to his new mommy. So yeah, come along and watch me pack, and you wait till you see what he's going home in. Oh my gosh, so cute. I'll be right back. So let me show you what Elliot is going home with. So Elliot is a sculpt kit by Michelle Fagan, and Bountiful Baby carried that sculpt. It is now a sold out sculpt. You can't find it anymore. And Bountiful Baby does not give COAs with their artist kits, only their Reborns. So I made a birth certificate for him, and I completed him on February 9th of this year, late at night, 10:15 p.m. He's 23 inches and he's 7 pounds 14 ounces. So he's going to be going home with his birth certificate, and he's also going home with a thank you card, which I already kind of sealed up. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I have to come up with another design and make some new cards, because this one is, I've been using this one for quite a while. So I make these and the birth certificates. So this says, there's nothing like a sweet, wait a minute, yeah, there's nothing like a sweet little reborn to cuddle and to love. Enjoy every little moment. Congrats. And then I just wrote a little thank you note inside. So he will go home with that and his birth certificate. Now, Elliot has, he has a strange shaped mouth, so he can take a modified passy. So I just cut the tip off, and it does fit in his mouth. You need to wiggle it a little bit, but it fits in there. I also put a magnet in his mouth, but because of the way it's shaped, my fear is that it's going to eventually shift. So I put a lot of glue in it, so hopefully it won't shift anytime soon, but you never know. And so he's going home with a modified passy and a magnetic passy. He's going home with a pacifier clip. And we'll put these in a little baggie here. Actually, I think he will be going home wearing a pair of like booty socks, and he's going to also have a pair of socks. So let me see, I might just put these in here and put the two passies in the other bag if these fit. No, I guess I'll have to put them in here. So there's his socks, and we'll put his passy clip and passies in here. He will also be going home with a little toothbrush, and he's going home with a little llama lovey. He's got a little onesie t-shirt here with a little bear sleeping, and he does look really cute in that. He is also, now let me fold this up so we will be all ready for his wrapping. And we have this little sleeper. It's yellow, and it says the best for you, and it's got a little giraffe on it. I thought that was so cute. So we'll be going home with that. And let's see. And he's going home with this adorable. I love this. He's got little koala bears, and it's like little suspenders, although it's one piece. So, yeah. He wears 0 to 3 months and some 3 months. So, we are going to, oops, let me just snap these up so they're unsnapped because I tried them on him and took his picture with this on. And but I think it's nice when you open a gift and everything is all snapped up and buttoned and fastened. So, there we go. I love that little outfit. It's so cute. Oops. Why can't I fold things right? There we go. So, he will be going home with these things. And we will be right back and you can watch me wrap. Now that we have everything wrapped, let's put it in the bag. I'm also sending 2 diapers home. So we're going to put these in here. We're going to put the birth certificate in here. And we're going to put his lovey in here. And we're going to put his 2 little gifts. His 2 little socks and his passies. And the passy clip and his brush. His hair can be curly or the way I have it, but since he's gone home, I'm not going to style it all curly. And then these will just go in with him also. So, we'll be right back and I'll get him wrapped up. And wait till you see his little outfit he's going home in. So cute. So, we are back and we are going to get him dressed. Look at that cute little shirt. I love it. Okay, little guy. Okay. Let's put this on here. Oops. Okay. Let's button you up. It's a little blue button up. And it's got cactuses on it. And it's got a little pocket. Oh my gosh. Too cute. And a little pair of shorts. Okay, little guy. All right. All right, let's turn you over here. Get your little shirt tail tucked in. And oh my gosh, he is so cute. Oh Oh my gosh. So let me show you his blanket. Now he's a bigger baby, so I don't know that he's going to be completely covered. And he's got a bigger head, so he's a big diaper. Alrighty. There we are. And he's got a little blue and a blanket with white stripes on it. And come here, big guy. Oh my gosh, he's so cuddly. He really is. Alright. Alrighty, guy. Alright. Oh yeah, he's oh, hold on, I will be right back because I forgot a ribbon. Alright, so we got our ribbon, and I think what I'm going to do is his feet are going to be hanging out. Oh, I don't like the way this is working out here. Well, he's a bigger baby, so I need to maybe invest in some bigger blankets. Oh no. The ribbon is very short. Because he's bigger. I'm just not going to be able to do a bow, which is okay because I don't really want to turn him upside down. So, let's get him in his box. So this is what the box looks like. I have him in here, and he's got his gifts in the bag. I am going to need to put some paper up here so nothing shifts around. So let me get that packed up. And as you can see, I have 3 bubble packs in here. And I think that should be good. I'm going to put some tissue paper over it and his card, and then we will ship him off. And this is what he will look like going home. I'm going to tie the plastic bag up. That will keep him nice and dry in case he has to sit on a porch in rain or something. And then we will ship him off. So thank you for watching, everybody. I love you all. I appreciate all your love and support. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe because I have a giveaway coming up once I reach 750 subscribers. So until the next video, be happy, God bless, and stay safe. I love you all. Bye.